Hello students, today we are going to discuss few numericals of class 9th motion chapter, mainly graph numericals. Let's see how to solve this question of NCERT exercise. Here figure shows the distance time graph of three objects A, B and C. Study the graph and answer the following questions. See, this graph is given here. This is the B graph. It started from the origin, and the other one C, here it started from here. See this one C, and this is A. Question is, which of the three is traveling the fastest? You know that slope of distance time graph that gives the speed. That means we have to calculate the slope of each graph, and which graph is having more slope, that is having more speed. Then, are all the three ever at the same point on the road? How far has C traveled when B passes A? How far has B traveled by the time it passes C? We will see all the questions in detail. See, I told you how to calculate which A, B, C, which of them have a more speed. For that, you know, speed is equal to distance upon time. Slope means the y-axis upon the x-axis. That means perpendicular upon base. That is the slope. So, for the graph B, say it is starting from the origin. So, see this one. Its slope, its inclination is more as compared to C and A. Okay, then speed is equal to slope of the graph. Here the slope of B is greater than object A and C. It is traveling the fastest. Then the second question is, are all the three ever at the same point on the road? See this. There is no common intersection of all the three graphs, so they never intersect here, and that means they all the three ever at the same point on the road. They never at the same point on the road. Okay. Next is, how far has C traveled when B passes A? How far has C traveled when B, this is B, passes A? That means from here to here, what is the distance? That means in distance means this is how far. This distance is how much. We have to find out. For that, see here on the y-axis, the 7 squares, that is equal to 4 centimeters. See, 7 square boxes, that is equal to 4 centimeters. Then 1 square box is equal to 4 by 7 kilometer. Then C is 4 blocks away from the origin. Therefore, the initial distance of C from the origin, that is 16 by 7. That is 4 into 4 by 7. Then distance of C from the origin when B passes A, that is distance of C from the origin when B passes A, that is 8 km. Thus, the distance travelled by C when B passes A, that is 8 minus 16 by 7, that is equal to 40 by 7, that is 5.714. See here, distance of C from the origin. See, C is starting from here, and see this. Till here it is. That means from here to here minus from here to here. That is coming 8 km. Next part of the question, how far has B travelled by the time it passes C? B travelled by the time it passes C. See, this is the thing. So, listen, distance travelled by B by the time it passes C, that is 9 square boxes. Distance travelled by B when it passes C, that is 9 square boxes. See this distance till here, it is 9 square boxes. Then value of 1 square box is how much? 4 by 7. Then 9 into 4 by 7, that is 36 by 7, that is 5.143 kilometer. This is question number 8 of your NCERT. See, the speed time graph for a car is shown in figure. See this is time and this one is speed. Here question is, find out how far the car travels in the first 4 seconds. Shade the area on the graph that represents the distance travelled by the car during the period. See, this is the first 4 seconds. When we consider the first 4 seconds, it is same as a right triangle. That means when 4 seconds and this is the speed, then area under this much portion, that is the distance covered, that is half into 4 into 6. So you got the first part of the question. Then the second part of the question, which part of the graph represents uniform motion? The car comes to uniform motion means the speed remains same. So from which point the speed is coming same? See, from 4 to 6 little change is there, but after reaching the 6th second, see, this is straight only. That means the part of the graph between the time 6 to 10 seconds represents uniform motion of the car.